Dress to impress, unraveling, dress to kill. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about making a strong impression. Dress to kill. Have you ever heard someone say it and wondered what exactly they mean? Well, you're in the right place to find out. When someone says they're going to dress to kill, they're not talking about clothing with any violent intentions. This phrase is actually a figure of speech, meaning to dress very stylishly and attractively, often with the intention of drawing attention and admiration from others. It implies dressing so well that it kills competition, metaphorically speaking. The origin of dress to kill is somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have emerged in the 20th century, drawing from the idea that one's appearance can be so striking, it's almost lethal. This saying taps into the concept that fashion and attire can be a powerful tool in one's social arsenal. You might use dress to kill when you're getting ready for a big event where you want to make a statement. For example, if you're attending a gala, a fancy dinner party, or even an important job interview, you might choose to dress to kill to ensure you leave a lasting impression. Let's see how it works in sentences. She walked into the room dressed to kill, turning heads as she moved. For the premiere, the actors were dressed to kill, each looking more dashing than the last. The phrase also holds cultural significance, often used in media to describe celebrities at red carpet events or characters in films known for their style and fashion sense. It's a phrase that transcends mere clothing, embodying a sense of confidence and allure. There you have it. Dress to kill is all about dressing in a way that's bound to impress and captivate an audience. Remember, it's not just the clothes but the confidence you carry them with. Hope this video helps you slay in your English language journey. Stay stylish, and see you next time.